as well. Programming seedling is so important. So important. And I'm gonna tell you this too. When we're doing seedling, I say this so many times, but I'm gonna say it again. When we're doing seedlings, when we sow our seeds, let me see, right? When we sow our seeds, it's best we sow our seed in poor soil. Yes, in poor soil. Or if we're gonna sow them in rich soil, make sure the soil you're gonna be moving them into, it's a richer soil or it's the same soil. If you do that, you get a faster growth. I'm telling you, you get faster growth.